Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Power on Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in this video I have come with a multiple hiring update, and all college student, fresh and pass out eligible for this hiring. And there is a multiple hiring, approximate 4 companies hiring. I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. But before that, just a request, please like this video and check out the other hiring also. And today I post EY company hiring and EY company hiring in a bulk, so do check out. First one is the video. Now talking about the first hiring update, that is coming from ITC Infotech company. So ITC Infotech company hiring on the urgent basis. Company HR posted over the LinkedIn account. He currently company hiring for junior system admin position. So if you are a fresher and you have already passed out in 23 batch or 24 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. And it's a work from office job. And if you get selected for this role, then you have to join ITC Infotech Bangalore office. So if you are interested for this role, then you can share your resume and these required details over this given email ID. And I will attach this post in video description so you can check out in detail. So this is the first hiring update. Talking about the second hiring update, that is coming from Rubik company. So currently company hiring for software engineer winter internship, and currently company hiring for intern role. But don't worry, if you got selected for this role, then company 80% provide full-time offer to all the candidates, which will depend upon your performance, and it's an on-site internship. And currently company hiring for Bangalore location. So if you get selected for this role, then you have to join Rubik Bangalore office. Company has already mentioned. Talking about the qualification first. So if you are going to pass out in 25 batch, then only you are eligible for this hiring. And if you have done bachelor degree or master degree like BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from CSIT branch or EC branch, EE branch, EE branch, electrical, electronics, then only you are eligible for this hiring. Company has already mentioned CSIT branch or related field. And it's a purely technical job, so you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be C, C++, Java, Python, Scala, any one of them. Because if you got shortlisted for this role, then there will be an online exam. An exam will contain coding question. That's why coding is compulsory. And it's a 6-month internship. So if you are available for 6 months from January 25 to May 25, then you are eligible for this hiring. And company already mentioned available from January 25 to May 25 in Bengaluru for the on-site internship, no remote option. So this is the main point. So if you are able to relocate to the given location, which is the Bengaluru, then only you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply, and it's a paid internship. You will get stipend also, which will be approx minimum 25,000, which is the minimum. It may be 30,000, 40,000. Company will inform you once you get selected for this role. So this is the second hiring update. Talking about the third hiring update, which is coming from Infosys company. So Infosys company has announced off-campus mass hiring. And currently company hiring for 23-24 batch, only 2 batch eligible for this hiring. Talking about the degree, so currently company hiring for recent MBA graduate. So if you have done MBA, then you are eligible for this hiring, you can apply. And again I am repeating, it's a mass hiring update. Company definitely will hire in bulk. Talking about how to apply, so to apply purpose, I will attach apply link in video description. This is a page link. You have to just select this checkbox and click on accept button and fill all the required detail after logging on Infosys website. So this is the third hiring update. Talking about the last hiring update, that is coming from Mac company. So currently company hiring for multiple degree, and there is a 3 different role. First one is for software engineer role, second is for recruitment coordinator role, and the last one is staff accountant. So we will discuss one by one all these 3 roles. Talking about the first role, which is the software developer role. So if you have done BE BTech from CSIT branch, then you are eligible for this hiring, and your passing batch should be 24. Only one passing batch eligible for this hiring. And currently company hiring for Hyderabad location. So if you get selected for this role, then you have to join MEC Hyderabad location. And if you are interested for this role, then you can fill this Microsoft form. You have to enter your full name, contact information, email ID, 10th marks, 12th marks, graduation, passing year, and all our basic details you can fill. This is the first role update. Talking about the second role update, which is the recruitment coordinator. And for this role, if you have done BBA, then you are eligible for this hiring. And it's a walk-in drive. You have to give an interview on Hyderabad location, and the interview date is 9th of November. This is the timing, which is the 9 AM to 12 PM, and this is the address location. So if you are interested, then you can go to the MEC office location. And the last role is staff accountant. So if you have done MCOM or BCOM and you are going to pass out in 24 batch, then you are eligible for this hiring. And this is also a walk-in drive, and the interview date is 9th of November, and the timing will be 9 AM to 12 PM. And this is the complete address of company, and you have to share your resume over this given email ID, which is the job@macsoftware.com. So this is all about today hiring. I hope this video helped you, and if you still have any concern or doubt, then please let me know in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.